It's 2025 and all my 36 years of life feel like preparation for this one extraordinary year, my 37th year. Success, wealth, freedom, it all came rushing in abundance. How? Not through complicated strategies or elaborate plans, but through one simple, unwavering belief, simple faith. Faith became the foundation of every action, every decision, every conversation with that clarity. I met incredible people, faced unimaginable situations, and showed a level of commitment that exceeded even my wildest dreams. Let me tell you, this isn't just my story, it's a proof of what happens when you surrender fully to the universe and hold on to stubborn faith. In 2025, we didn't just conduct wellness workshops in one or two countries. No, we reached 18 countries in just 12 months. It's a manifestation of a pure belief turned into reality, and you can do it too. Manifest your 2025 today by setting the intention, releasing it to the universe, and taking inspired actions. Faith combined with action creates miracles. Now let's pause and look back at 2024. Yes, the struggles were real. The betrayals, the disappointments, the losses. But you know what? Those moments weren't setbacks. They were setups for a stronger, wiser, more resilient you. I won't sugarcoat it. We cried, we doubted, we even wanted to give up. Maybe I cried, yes. I will admit my ego took a hit when I lost my cafe and faced a massive financial losses. But I never stopped breathing. The universe heard my struggles, and just when I needed it most, it sent the right people and the right opportunities. Now here's the lesson. In the toughest moments, if you still have even a shred of energy to help someone, do it. Don't overthink it. Just act. It's a law of the universe. What you give with a pure heart will return to you multiplied. Transformation and commitment. Now, how did it happen? What truly changed everything? Respecting my body, disciplining my mind, and nourishing my soul. This trifecta is non-negotiable. When you align these three, you unlock your true capacity and witness miracles. Trust me, the last 3 months of 2024 were transformative. You can check my YouTube too. Not just in terms of what I achieved, but in how I felt. A level of alignment, peace, and clarity that's beyond words. The universe is always ready to support you, but it requires your commitment. Start with simple, consistent steps. Begin your mornings with gratitude and visualization. Take care of your body. It's a vehicle for all your dreams. Set clear intentions and believe they already happening. If you're ready to embark on this journey, if you're ready to witness miracles in your life, type I need. I will personally share with you the tools and the roadmap to start creating your dream life. Don't wait for the right time. The time is now. Your best year, your 2025, begins today with one simple decision. Let's make it happen together. I wish you a happy new year. Peace and love.